Welcome to this quick guide on how to cancel a subscription on your Oculus headset. Whether you are managing your spending or just taking a break, canceling a subscription is a simple process. So let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and launch the Meta Horizon app. If you haven't updated recently, make sure you are on the latest version of a smoother experience. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon at the top of your Horizon fleet. This will give you access to all your account settings. Scroll down until you see the subscriptions section. It will be listed under Payment and Subscriptions. Next, tap the subscription you would like to cancel. You will see details about your plan, including the renewal date and pricing. Finally, tap Cancel Subscription and then confirm your choice. You might be asked to verify your decision. So take a moment to make sure you are ready to proceed. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Oculus subscription. If you found this guide helpful, give it as a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips.